Alright, guys.
Mommy, what is this now working?
It will work. It's not yet time. I'm sweating. It's not time yet. When it's time, it will work. So guys, our train is just leaving now. So I don't know if I said that before, but we are going to Grenoble. We are going to see my cousin. So we'll see you guys when we get there. Hope you guys can hear me because we are still wearing mask over here. Yeah. I don't have makeup on my face because I don't like to travel with makeup. I like to be simple dressing.
We spent our days on the coast of something beautiful. We got pulled into the tide of something real. But somehow I lost you on.
Our luggage is here. We are supposed to put it up there, but that place is just too small, so we just put everything here on the seats. Atandi cuckoo. Look at our money.
Look at money. Why you have TV, mommy?
I have TV?
Yeah.
I don't know because I want to have TV.
But why?
Because I want so.
But why? What is this place, mommy?
There are homes there, Mama. I can see their houses.
Let's go to the house. No, leave my hand alone.
You could cook.
What do want that? Mama, metro.
Not, this is not metro. This is train.
I was waiting on the day you would come back to me, hoping that I didn't burn a bridge I couldn't see. And now that you're
Mommy, I defeat me.
Open your mouth. Look at Nathan and his shenanigans. Stop already. Stop.
Give me to me. Give me to me. Give me to me. Give me to me.
So guys, we are almost in Grenoble now.
Mama, don't
We just have a few minutes to go.
Lord. Mommy, look. Mommy, look. Mommy, look how big. You are big.
So guys, we just arrived here. We are in Grenoble now. Say hello to Grenoble, guys. Nata, come this way, Papa. This is our train. We just came down. Yeah, but people are still going. Yeah, people are still inside. Nata, wait.
Those hands and lights can't stop me. I'll just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. Now with you, now with you.
So guys, we are in Grenoble now. Say hello to Grenoble. Yeah, this is Grenoble.
Only your eyes is beautiful.
These are taxis. Yeah, these are taxis. So we just have to go and look for our train. Ali Mama, I think, oh, there's train there. Yeah, the tram. I don't know if we are supposed to enter that one though. Ali, give your sister your hand. Give me your hand. No.
I love you, Mama.
It better be nice. Better be nice, okay? So this is Grenoble. We are going to our house, Mama. This is it. So this is the train station. Yeah, I'm vlogging. Meet my cousin. How fun, yeah? If I get, what's up? How fun? How precious. Oh shit! I bet popcorn. Meet my cousin.
Give up this
Nene. Abaya, sister, say hello.
Hello.
So I'm in my cousin's place, guys. Birthday girl. I'm on it for wow, c'est joli. Elle est belle. Wow. Wow, you feel fine. Okay, let me see. Even though that picture is authentic, no problem. Coco! Birthday girl! Look at the birthday girl! Look at the birthday girl!
We've lost track of time, don't know where to